Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa family. And I just want to make this video. I want to give Vybz Kartel my humble and honest opinion, my humble and honest thoughts, my humble and honest, advice that I think he should do right now to actually last long on this earth right now, because it's sticky right now, family. It's sticky right now. He's like he's like Bob Marley. Like when Bob Marley died, that's how Vybz Kartel name is impact on the continent right now, family. And I just want to give him this advice, and I hope you watch this video, and I hope that you will reach out to vegan choice foods. You guys know where I'm getting at already. As you can see, Vybz Kartel right now, his health is in shambles. And I hope him know that. And I hope him acknowledge that. And I hope him can see that right now, family. I hope him can see that and understand health is wealth. The man have all the wealth. You know what I mean? But if you don't have the health, what Steve Jobs say? You know what I mean? What Steve Jobs say, people? Comment below what Steve Jobs say. But him say something like this. Him say, you will eat your food like medicine, and your medicine like food if you don't actually take care of your health, family. So this is serious, family. You know what I mean? Vybz Kartel come out. The most important thing a man can have on earth is freedom. The most important thing a man can have on earth is freedom, family. The second important things a man can have on earth is wealth, family. No, it's health. So the second most important thing, you need to have on earth is health, family. The third most important thing you need to have on earth is, I think it's like 50-50. I think it's like 50-50, health and a family. No, wealth and a family. So that's the third thing you're supposed to have. Important things you need to have on earth, family. So, he has wealth. But right now he don't have as the health. And I hope him acknowledge and know that and see that to get rid of all these things that is happening right now, he might, he might have all the money to go to the top professional and whatever. But I just want to advise him what to do, family. Vybz Kartel, you need to actually change your diet. They say you have Graves' disease, and Graves' disease comes from all of those rich food. People like to eat rich food, like all of these, they're lavish. When you're rich and have money, you eat all of the rich food, and the rich food is not healthy for your family. It's the poor people food healthy for you, right? In Kenya, eat just like what a regular person would eat. Regular person would eat. Sometimes I eat ugali and greens and chapati and all of this stuff, and my porridge and stuff. And guys, if you want to eat meat, you can eat meat when you're in Kenya, family. I'm telling you, because the meat is freshly cut, and it has the GMO, and it has no actually all of these hormonal stuff in it, family. So in Kenya, it's like a happy place for everything, and and this is my advice to Vybz Kartel, that I have to take care of my health right now. I have to go on a plant-based diet. I have to go on fruits, juice. I have to do a lot of stuff that is organic and real right now. And I don't think you can really get that in Jamaica right now. So, I'll advise him to go out in nature, connect back with God. Go out in a space for like 3 months and detox and cleanse and hide your face. And in the meantime, you go and plan your show with them in Africa. Africa should be the first country Vybz Kartel visit. Let me make a silent for this one. Africa should be the first country Vybz Kartel visit. Africa should be Vybz Kartel home. Vybz Kartel should actually come to Kenya and purchase some land and build a home and call Africa his home. You see what that happened to you in Jamaica? And it's only get worse and worse in Jamaica right now when it comes on to Vybz Kartel. Because now them just a watch and them just a wait to get some deep evidence where maybe this time you might not be able to fight. But right now, it's a pandemonium in Jamaica, and I hope people learn. I hope Vybz Kartel come out and you know what I mean, you know, have some inspiring thing to actually give to the youths them now. And actually, you know what I mean? Because, you know, pussy and dog now have the same luck. You know what I'm saying? So what Vybz Kartel can do, you cannot do. So we just warning the youths them in Jamaica not to make this the same situation when you have Gully and Gaza and the school youth that used to kill each other who fight over this crew and that crew. We don't want it to go back to that stage, family. So, you know what I mean? As I was saying, Vybz Kartel health is in shambles right now, and we might be happy, but you don't want to happy when somebody pass away and done 6'6" and everything is history. You know, you don't want that to happen to you. You want to live as long as possible in earth. That's my motto. We all gonna die, but I want to live as long as possible, as healthy as possible, and I go out in my sleep at 150 or 130. Yeah, that is deep, family. So I will do anything possible, and the only way possible to live that long is to go a natural way of life. You know what I mean? Everything on earth now is actually processed and man-made. Silence for that one. Everything on earth is now processed and man-made. Silent for that one. So, you know what I mean? In Africa, that's where you find the realest thing. And over even in Africa right now, they want to bring the GMO stuff. And they want to populate Africa with a lot of stuff, family. You know what I mean? But Africa is so big and it's so on top that it's hard for them to actually colonize. You know, they can colonize the people, mind with the medias and stuff, and get them to do a lot of stuff and start eat a lot of stuff and turn away from them traditional stuff. And that's what, you know, they've been doing, family. So you have to come back and connect back with nature and connect back with God, family, and, you know, and try to live as long as possible. So I hope Vybz Kartel watch this and him can, you know what I mean, just go to a herbalist, man, and, you know what I mean, try and get some help. Because even right now, performing and stuff, you need that energy, you know what I mean? I know everything the door open up for you right now. You know what I mean? We don't want you to go about and drinking all them liquor and all kind of thing. And that's what they just make you damage your organs. And you see, that's the problem you're having right now. When you see you bloated up on stage, so it's a kidney and all of these things, which is very important to process and flush out the system. So, you know what I mean? Vybz Kartel, we don't really want to hear the next 1 year or 6 months to drop out and, you know what I mean, and stuff like that. We don't want to hear that. So, yeah, I'm going to advise you to lift up from Jamaica right now and try to get a nature spot. Go out and hide out. When people come back, you know what I mean, try and get the health up, organized, and look like how you used to look before you go in. You know what I mean? And that's what I will actually promote and endorse. Try to get as healthy as possible right now. Because now is your big moment, and it's time for you to make a change, and it's time for you. You know, we know when you're in a jail, you eat a lot of stuff, and you stress, and you drink, and, you know, you have the money to do all of this in a jail. So, you know what I mean? It's not like a common man where I'll come out and look away. So right now, we want you to be around, and we want you to actually visit Kenya and visit Africa one of these days. You know what I mean? We want you to do that, family. We want you to do that, Vybz Kartel. So I hope you watch. This is a personal video to Vybz Kartel. A personal video. A man who left Jamaica and come to Africa. And we want as much Jamaicans. I really want the popular Jamaicans them to come back to Africa, because that's how we bring the wave for people who've been thinking and wondering if they should come. You know what I mean? You see what I'm saying? They will come now, because when them see big celebrity and big artists that come, you know what I mean? Other people will want to come, family. So, you know what I mean? I'm there with Pan One Love to forward, because more ask him what is his advice to Vybz Kartel now. I want to ask him that question and hear what his response, because my advice is just for him to get his health up right now. He needs to get him health up, and he needs to do it at all costs, and he have to do it the natural way. If it's not the natural way, he has to be stuck in on maybe pills and stuff. And he really don't want that organ disease get bad, because now you have to be living on dialysis. It's crazy, man. You know what I mean? We won't even get to enjoy Vybz Kartel, you know what I mean, if he don't take his health serious. We won't get to enjoy Vybz Kartel if he does not take his health serious. I'm repeating it, family. We won't get to see this full potential. And that's what we all want, family. So we're asking and pleading, you know what I mean, to actually share this with Vybz Kartel. Make sure him see this video and talk to some, make him talk to some herbalists and some natural healer right now to get him some herbs and, you know what I mean, get him on a diet and get his system back. You know what I mean? It's kind of, when I look at it right now, it's kind of impossible, but it's possible. But it just have to be, it has to be a way where he has to actually, you know what I mean? He has to actually take his health serious, because it make no sense you have a lot of wealth and you don't have the health, you can't enjoy it. It doesn't make no sense, you know what I mean? And you know, as I said, it's crazy, family, because now he actually maybe legally married to this you know what I mean, this overseas, this foreigner. So now he married to this foreigner. Now imagine Vybz Kartel, God forbid, we don't want that. But him legally married to this foreigner right now. What got him, family? All I'm well gone back. You know what I mean? I don't know if it's a slave master country or where, family. It's crazy. All I'm well go back to this to the crown. And Vybz Kartel is like something there, you know. It's like the Bob Marley of dancehall. His legacy will live on and on forever and ever. And that's what the colonizer them try to hold on pan when it come on to black people. They try to own all of your royalty, because we are the creator in the family. I'm saying all of this thing right now, it's actually just downloaded my consciousness, family. Slow motion for this one. Because right now, we are the creator. Think about it. Everything that is great on earth is created by an African. Or some African DNA or mix or whatever. But African DNA is a part of it. And that's the reason why, you know what I mean, I'm saying to myself that, you know, when a foreigner hold on to an infinite, indefinite, residual royalty forever and forever, you know what I mean, all of that wealth move from Jamaica now. From somebody in Jamaica should be Kartel wife. Just like Bob Marley, you know what I mean, it's so Bob Marley may be lucky. Him lucky that actually, you know what I mean, they never actually forced him to deal with a foreigner. So all of the wealth, Bob Marley wealth actually come back, some might come back to Africa. And that's what we want for Vybz Kartel, that for him to take care of his health and, you know what I mean, and set things straight, because his music is timeless. You know what I mean, everything is timeless, and when he passed and gone, people will be making money from his name. You know what I'm saying? So family, I will put one love for you, when I say, family, boy, one love just forward. Put him on the spot here now. Ask him a question. Ask him the question now, family. One love. What you think is, what would be your advice to Vybz Kartel right now?
Advice to Vybz Kartel?
Yeah, tell the people them. All a piece.
My advice to Vybz Kartel is, well, can't say the same advice, but don't know anything I had already in Jamaica. As an artist, you have to have people around you to protect you and defend you, because Jamaica sticky. Where you're in Jamaica, you know, nobody around you to defend you. People take liberty of you and gun you down, because as everyone, alright, first thing first, viewers and subscribers, good morning. Just rise and shine and show and rush and get myself ready, because today we have a Independence Day party, a pre-Independence Day party. We all know Independence Day is the 6th of August, so we have a pre-Independence Day party, the 3rd of August. Jamaica celebration. So my advice to teacher is that carefully the friends in you choose. You understand? And that's my advice to every ghetto youth and every youth while they're in Jamaica. It doesn't matter where you're from. Careful of the friends you choose, because you can be innocent and not doing nothing. You could be at your house sleeping with your woman or with your family, and just the friends that we choose, we always keep around you, they're the one that causing problem. And because you are the main person, the man call it Dan, because the man say, oh, a teacher, Vybz Kartel friend. Him now I say, I Sean Star want him not even Sean Star, because they never say as someone that have the name. The man point out the man that will have name. Yeah, man. As I say, my advice is carefully your friend who you choose.
Yeah.
Carefully your surrounding.
Yeah.
And if you want man around you for protect you, it's best to get security. Just do like a popcorn do. Or enough arts I do right now.
Security?
I mean, every arts have security right now. Remember, you're a millionaire now.
Yeah.
And you travel with millions of jewelries on you. $1 million of jewelry.
Yeah.
So, you can't just carry yourself loose. Alright, example, bounty killer now. Remember, you know, bounty killer, man have the eagle and the ark them surround him. You understand? Bounty killer always have people around him with the eagle and the ark. It's me I say, always have people around him, man. One time, bounty killer start cut all the people from around him because, you know, sometimes the man around him cause problem. Because you might not know you're innocent, but the man that will make a come around you and them are going to do things. Yeah. So they're around you, they might say you as the artist, you are influence them.
Yeah, by the thing I do the thing.
You are by it, even when you're not in it, but say you are do it. So bounty killer start drop off some of the man them from around him and start move solar, you know, remember certain flex. I see the moment bounty killer do that, man juke him up with gun and rob him. Yeah, take my big chain and all these things. Man say, oh, bounty killer, my father DJ now, give me that chain here.
Bounty, remember that. What we know about you?
Yeah, man, bounty know what you, man. I say, yo, killer, you're my father DJ, my brother DJ now, give me that chain here. You understand? But you're still with DJ the killer, I want your face there, don't know anything going, you know. Nothing now go on, you know. You see it, so bounty killer, poor people governor, you know, we always sing song for the ghetto youth, the man. Them always going to the community and defend them. You understand?
Yeah.
So at that match I will tell you. So bounty killer have beef back up in security. So and remember bounty killer the first man that dancehall, the first man the music where that Jamaican dancehall reggae music where we have seen.
Yeah, bad man, like also yo.
Be a gangster around him.
Yeah,
the killer run up on bounty killer, what a way do.
You know, I think like everything break off from that though. From bounty.
Yeah. No.
Even with Vybz card, I think it break off from that.
Mr. Kartel party bounty say learn. You learn a lot of things from killer. Killer teach all of the artists in Jamaica, you know. He teach you how to make money, how to protect themselves, how to guard up themselves. Killer teach all of them that. Make yourself loose and make yourself more important and valuable. Killer teach him, bounty killer teach him that. So Kartel come and take on the trade, and he know because Kartel is a man very big, I'm a star.
Yeah.
So as a star, you can't carry yourself careless.
Yeah.
You have to protect yourself at all costs. So protecting yourself, you know, man I want to rob you, man I want to run up on you because you know got a Vybz Kartel that. So man gangster DJ. You see it, everybody have a past.
Yeah.
So what you gotta do? Protect yourself so the man can extort you and rob you. But it's best the man start get some good security around him, you know. Get some security with license for your arm. So for the people who want to know what go on, yeah man, that's my advice.
Yeah.
If you have a beef with security,
what?
You do that. You see it. With
okay.
Proper people around you.
If you're gonna order fox,
you see it.
The grapes, man.
Yeah man. Viewers and subscribers, I see and know. You guys want to love Africa and jam towards Africa.
Show some fresh grapes with seed.
Some fresh grapes. They are the local grapes.
How you sell it?
See there?
For 100, 150, 50 shillings.
I'll give me 3 for 100.
100.
Yeah.
2 of them.
Yeah, 3 bunch.
3 bunch for 100. 50 shillings for a bunch.
How much we have bunch? 50?
50.
But they have some big one.
Oh.
Like that.
Okay, see there people? Natural grape. Kenya grape.
And a grape without seed. This grow at the wild up at the hill in the hills.
Yeah man.
Yeah.
100?
This is for how much?
200.
200? What?
100.
Oh, give me another one.
Another one.
Yeah. You want one? You must say one return. Take that one.
You get one for one. So people, see a grape now? This is a natural grape with seed, no GMO. This is the grape you normally drink before they bring the GMO grape. So you buy that grape, you can taste the seed night. It's sweet.
The number 07.
You understand? So
68
68
89
89
25
25
74.
74.
how much is this?
200.
No, 100 you need.
Just take out the first one then.
It's the first one. This one I sell at 150, but I give you with the 100 shillings.
So I should give you 300.
400.
No man, take off one.
Take off one for this one.
Take
You see it?
the top one.
The top one, yeah. Yeah, the 300, yeah. But this is supposed to be 50 shillings. So now I'm going to sell it.
Alright, take care.
Alright.
Sorry.
What about traffic? True. Yeah, man, if you don't subscribe, bless you for yourself. Like, subscribe, share the video. And if you guys have any comment or thought, any thoughts you want to put into this video about Vybz to teach and Sean Storm, can we big up Sean Storm too, you know. Sean Storm, a loyal youth, real youth, and do the time because Sean Storm get a chance to get 3 years and come out of jail. And him stick out loyalty and do I get 25 years life imprisonment. Well, life imprisonment, 25 years to parole. So Sean Storm stick out. You have to big up loyal people here, man.
Yeah, family. So today I want to hear One Love advice. I want to hear my advice. So, you know what I mean? Comment in the box so we know what I go and subscribe to One Love Africa page, YouTube channel. You know what I mean? And you share jam tours. Tell a friend to tell a friend. When you come to Kenya, they have a support you and help you to get settled and live in a Kenya like a common man, and a normal man. Show them the street.
You want to swag one? Drive where I drive through the place.
Market on the street.
It's a Rocker market.
Yeah.
See there? Rocker market. Anything you want to get down here selling that for target.
Like watermelon with seed.
Yeah, man, everything is with seed.
Yeah.
All cassava have seed night.
Alright, family. One love, God bless Jamaica. And remember, guys, Jamaica Independence Celebration with there.
Yeah.
Brand Jam Reggae Bistro for the Jamaican food, flavor, culture, music, and everything.
Follow Brand Jam Reggae Bistro on Instagram.
Yeah, Brand Jam _reggae _bistro.
Yeah, man. And we are also on TikTok. Follow Brand Jam Reggae Bistro on TikTok. Follow Brand Jam Reggae Bistro on YouTube.
Yeah.
So we're there all over the globe on Brand Jam Reggae Bistro page. Website page is coming up where you guys can purchase a t-shirt, the Jamaica shirts, the Jamaica outfits, the clothes, the mesh marina, the Rasta marina. We're coming with them.
And you can actually go up there to place your order for food and
yeah, man. Yeah, man. And Jam Tours website, Jam Tours website. So if you want to book your trip, traveling around, anything, Airbnb, we got the Airbnb for you guys. So come out. The Airbnb is here.
Alright, family, let's go. One love, God bless Jamaica, we are out.
Nigga, that's our nigga, man. Vybz Kartel, world boss.
They want a Vybz Kartel
in Kenya. We want him to come in Kenya.
You want to come to Kenya?
Yeah, man. Kenya is 100%.
How much you will pay for a ticket if Vybz Kartel should come?
Come with us. Yes?
How much would you pay for a ticket?
5,000.
5,000?
Yeah. 5,000.
That's admission. Regular.
That's $6,000 Jamaican dollar, people.
Regular?
That's $6,000 Jamaican dollar.
Yeah.
It's a regular 5,000.
Yeah.
VIP
10,000. VIP 20,000.
That's
50,000 is our man. Is our nigga.
So you pay money.
In Kenya, you're so happy for him. Very, very happy.
Yeah, man.
You want
Park
him
over
to
this up.
come. You want
Park
him
over
to
this up.
come.
Park over this up.
You want him to come here, Kenya.
Yeah, man.
100% support us in Kenya.
Vybz Kartel is coming to Kenya next year.
Sure.
Next year.
You're waiting
Sure.
for him.
Next
I
year.
think Kenya will be his first country.
Yeah.
Maybe,
We love
No,
that
sir,
guy
yeah,
very
maybe
much.
hear somebody announced
That's
it
the
already
king of
now.
dancehall, man.
Yeah, man. He's the king
In
of
Kenya,
dancehall.
we support him 100%.
Yeah, man. He said
Sure.
Vybz Kartel free. Everyone was
Keep coming.
happy. Go somewhere. Teacher. People is the more the feature.
That guy is very nice. We like
Yeah, man.
him.
It's teacher now.
That guy 100%.
Yeah.
Real guy.
Sure.
So you come out, let me come out of the car. So you come out to Vybz Kartel.
Yeah.
Well, let's Ricardo.
A
We
Kenya
are so
place.
happy for him. We are so happy for Vybz Kartel, man.
Yeah.
In
Tell
Kenya,
some more.
Very, very happy.
So sing one Gaza song, sing one Vybz Kartel song.
Free world boss. You okay
Free
with
world
that?
boss.
Yeah.
So you know-
okay with that.
Give me a song, Vybz Kartel sing.
Give me
sing.
some Vybz Kartel.
No, give me a song. You sing a song for me.
Some for Vybz Kartel?
Yeah.
Like which one?
Which one? Anyone.
I don't know anyone.
You don't know? Oh, you're not a
No,
Vybz
no.
Kartel fan then, man.
Me?
Yeah. Summertime.
And only one song for Vybz Kartel.
Which one?
You know which one?
Yeah.
Clarks.
Clarks.
Yeah.
Okay, you know Clarks, the Clarks.
Yeah.
If
That's
one if
one.
you ask when me get me Clarks. That's what people.
Kartel.
That's what people must say about Vybz Kartel.
Yeah.
Alright, so come in the streets right now, you know.
Yeah.
Live.
In Kenya.
Live in Kenya market.
Yeah.
Parkland Market. I walk where I walk it, I will not talk it. Yo, tell me what I go on now. Where the pan?
Wagwan no, Vybz
See
Kartel.
it? All the people Vybz Kartel freedom.
Yeah.
Free Vybz Kartel.
Free Vybz
Yeah, man, free word boss.
Free one boss.
Free word boss. Touch it. Free word boss.
We are Gaza.
Gaza fan.
Gaza.
The Gaza members.
Vybz Kartel is our
Free word boss.
Free teacher. Free wall boss.
So you guys are happy that Vybz Kartel is free? Very happy. So how do you feel when Vybz Kartel come to Kenya next year?
We get to youth who want to Vybz Kartel to come.
Yeah, straight up.
Free wall boss.
Free word boss. So Kartel come to Kenya next
We
year.
want him to come.
Next year.
Yeah, we want him to come.
Kartel should be here Easter.
Yeah,
Is it?
we say there.
See there? Vybz Kartel song.
Free Kartel.
You hear that? My G. That's the free word boss. Free word boss. Yeah man, be a thing I go on man. Teacher. But feature the teacher. Yeah man, so we are free. There's a free word boss. Word boss is free, so right now we can get to see him.
Vybz Kartel.
Make sure you go and watch Vybz Kartel for your YouTube and make sure you go and support him.
Subscribe there.
Subscribe, yeah man, subscribe there. Is it there?
100%.
100%. So viewers and subscribers, just for yourself, a year for yourself, so people must say free world boss. This is in Kenya, Parkland Market. You understand? People is the free world boss, the world boss.
Free world
Hear me,
boss.
man.
Arrest Ruto.
Kenya, arrest. I said, take root and free world boss.
As you can see, we say free wall boss.
Yeah man, arrest.
Vybz Kartel is giving us vibes.
Yeah. Say it again. Say it.
Ruto is killing us, but Vybz Kartel give us vibes.
Yes, so
Yeah.
Vybz Kartel can be the next Kenya Prime Minister if he was in Kenya.
If we want to be president, we are ready to give him the ticket, man.
Free wall
Club.
boss. It's a
Yo, the people want to see a Vybz Kartel song. Where I say?
just look at the life we living.
Look at the life we living. Look at the life we
It's
living.
a better way we seeking.
Oh, you mean? Oh, a war.
Yeah.
Tell them don't teeth and laugh there. Yo, viewers and subscribers.
We there, I got something
We there.
for Grand Jam.
Yeah, man. So,
Independence, Jamaica celebration.
time I get late,
I
cause
get later now because-
we go cook some rice and peas and
Yeah.
all these things. So, people,
Peter, come in.
we see you later.